welcome to DP's Education. In this video we are going to learn how to add images in the HTML. First is how to add images for the web page. So here we'll add another page like images.html. Okay, so here we'll include the boilerplate. So in the title we'll change it as images in HTML. Okay, so here we'll open with a live server. So yes, here you can see the title has changed to images in HTML. Okay, so now we'll come to the body part. So if you want to add any image to a web page or in HTML, so here we'll write img. After img we'll write src. Src is equals to, inside the double quotes we'll give the name of the image dot format of the image. Okay, so this src stands for source. Source in the sense from where you are extracting that image, that part you have to keep, so to visible the image. Okay, here src. So here in this tutorials folder we have two images, that is camera.jpg and watch.jpg. so I'll give directly camera.jpg. so jpg we have to definitely specify the jpg because this is the format of the image. We have to specify the format of the image. Okay, now here we'll close it and we'll save it and we will see in the live server. So here you can see the camera images appeared in the web page. So here we can see change its width and height. For that, here inside this we have to give style. So style is for giving css will learn in further tutorials. So in the previous tutorial we have seen the style we have used to change the text color. So now we are using to change the width and height of the image. So here we'll give width as suppose let's will give 500 pixel width, and height will give it as 500 pixel. Okay, so now here we'll save it. Yes, here you can see the image has appeared with width 500 pixel and height 500 pixel. So here we'll give an h1 tag. H1 tag will give it as camera. Okay, here you can see camera. Okay, so in the image image tag we'll give another command like alt. We'll give alt command. So why we have to give alt command is, suppose this image is not present in the particular path, or here only if we done any spelling mistake while writing the name of the image, this alt command will show the what is the alternative way we have to show to the user. So I'll explain this by giving example. Now suppose we'll remove a, like we have done some sort of a spelling mistake here. So now if we save it, here you can see we don't find image. Here we'll see the arrow mark like a cross mark something. So here we don't find image. Also in these cases, what is the alternate message here we have to show for the user? So we can give here like sorry for not showing image. So we will save it, and here you can see it is showing sorry for not showing image. So like this, what the alternative message we can show for the user when the image is not present, or by mistake sometimes image will not appear in the web page. So at that time, so this alternative is used to tell that sort of messages to the user. Okay, so here we'll correct the image name and we'll save it, and here you can see the camera image has appeared. Okay, so we'll add another image also. For that, in Visual Studio Code, if we type img, so automatically everything will appear here. So here we'll give watch.jpg, and alternative we'll give it as alternative we'll give it as this is watch. Okay, so here we'll give it as in h1 tag watch. Okay, so now here we'll save it, and here you can see the watch also. So by giving so here also we can change by giving width and height. Inside this we'll give style. Inside the style we'll give width as 500 pixel, and here height as 500 pixel. Okay, so we'll save it, and here you can see the image has appeared, watch image. Okay, so this is how we'll add images in the HTML. Thank you.